Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Recraft. If you want to turn your ideas into stunning artwork with AI, in this Recraft tutorial, I'll show you how you can use Recraft, unlock its full power, and fix common problems along the way. So Recraft is one of the most powerful AI art platforms in 2025. Whether you are designing icons, illustrations, or full artworks, it combines AI creativity with human artistry, giving you results that stand out. So first, you can just go to the recraft.ai and you'll see this page. And don't forget to sign in or make your account. And now here you can see this is my project. I've already created the account. So you can just tap on this create a new project options. And after this, you'll be asked to choose your design mode, whether you want to create image, mock-up, style, or others. So let's say in here, I'm going to go with image. Now you can just choose the type of art that you want to create. For example, in here, I'm going to go with, let's try hand drawn. In here, I'm going to add the prompt. Okay, I'm using this as the prompt. And you can here adjust the color palette. If you want to, you can also adjust the canvas. And if you're done, you can just tap on Recraft and just wait for the result. So Recraft will generate options for you. So in here, as you guys can see, Recraft give me two options of image based on the prompt that I add. And in here, you can edit it, you can make it, you can factorize it, you can remove the background, or you can also set the project as the cover image. So if you want to export this project, you can just click on this button. And here you can choose the format, whether you want to set it as PNG for images or even JPG, PDF, and there's also a TIFF in here. So I'm going to just go with PNG and you can just tap on export and the image will be downloaded. And that's how you can use Recraft in 2025. From icons to illustrations, this is where AI truly meets artistry. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye!